Welcome to a deep dive into the art of communication. Today, we're exploring why mastering your speech is one of the most underrated superpowers you can develop. Whether you're in business, relationships, or just navigating daily life, the way you speak shapes how others perceive you and how successful you become. Many people overlook this, focusing instead on wealth or strength, but the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly and persuasively can open doors that nothing else can. Let's start by understanding why speech matters and how it impacts every area of your life. One of the most common mistakes people make when speaking is using filler words like and ah. These words creep into our speech when we're nervous or unsure, but they can instantly undermine your credibility. If you watch skilled communicators, you'll notice they rarely use these fillers. It's not because they're reading from a script. It's because they've trained themselves to pause, breathe, and think before speaking. This habit takes time to develop, but with practice and self-awareness, you can eliminate these distractions and speak with confidence. Instead of filling silence with unnecessary words, learn to embrace the pause. Pausing gives you time to collect your thoughts and shows your audience that you're confident and in control. It's a subtle but powerful technique that can make your speech more impactful. When you need a moment to think, simply repeat the question or statement. This not only buys you time, but also demonstrates active listening. Over time, you'll find that your speech becomes smoother and more persuasive. In high-pressure situations, speed is your ally. The faster you can react and adapt, the better you'll handle unexpected challenges. High stress tolerance is essential, especially when things go wrong, which they inevitably will. Surround yourself with people who can keep up and teams that respond quickly. The ability to plug holes and fix issues rapidly is what keeps you moving forward and making progress, even when the odds are against you. Your environment shapes your mindset and your success. Be selective about the people you allow into your life. Winners attract winners, and negativity can drag you down. Build a network that challenges you to grow and supports your ambitions. In today's globalized world, this often means connecting with like-minded individuals online and across borders. Carefully curate your reality to maximize your potential. Smiling is a powerful tool, but only when used selectively. If you smile all the time, it loses its impact. Make your smile rare and meaningful, so that when you do smile, it carries weight. People will notice and appreciate it more, and it becomes a reward for those who earn it. This approach applies to all forms of attention. Give it value by making it scarce. Do you know that smiling can be a sign of submission? In the animal kingdom, especially among apes, showing teeth is a way to signal submission to the alpha. If you go through life smiling at everyone, you might be unconsciously signaling that you're not a threat. Use your smile strategically, reserve it for moments that truly deserve it, and you'll project strength and confidence. In relationships, especially romantic ones, your smile should be earned. When you reserve your smile for moments of genuine connection or achievement, it becomes a powerful reward. This creates a sense of accomplishment for your partner and reinforces positive behavior. Don't feel pressured to smile constantly. Let your emotions be authentic and your smiles meaningful. A simple nod can be more effective than a smile in many situations. When you want to be polite or acknowledge someone, a nod shows respect without signaling submission. This is especially true among men, where a nod can communicate mutual recognition and understanding. Use the nod to convey confidence and camaraderie without overextending your friendliness. Firm handshake is a classic sign of confidence and professionalism. On the other hand, fidgeting can make you appear bored or uninterested. Pay attention to these small details. They speak volumes about your attitude and presence. If you want to be taken seriously, master the basics: strong handshake, steady posture, and controlled movements. Understanding body language is crucial in both personal and professional interactions. For example, if someone crosses their legs away from you, it might signal disinterest or discomfort. These cues are often instinctive, and learning to read them can give you an edge in conversations. Trust your instincts and observe the subtle signals people send with their posture and gestures. Physical touch, when used appropriately, can help break the ice and build rapport. For example, a light touch on the arm during a conversation can create a sense of connection. However, it's important to be mindful of context and personal boundaries. Develop your own style and pay attention to how others respond to your gestures. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in your communication arsenal. Use it as punctuation, look away when making general points, and lock eyes when you want to emphasize something important. This shift in attention makes your words more impactful and shows that you mean what you say. Practice using eye contact intentionally to drive your message home. Authenticity is key in communication. Only say things you truly mean and back up your words with conviction. People can sense when you're being genuine, and this builds trust and respect. Avoid empty threats or promises. Mean what you say and say what you mean. This principle applies in both personal and professional settings. Power poses, like standing tall with your shoulders back, can boost your confidence and presence. While you don't need to walk around like a superhero, adopting strong body language in private can help you feel more powerful. Use these techniques to prepare for important meetings or presentations, but remember that true strength comes from within. In professional environments, it's important to balance confidence with humility. One of the classic rules of power is to never outshine the master. If you're too dominant or overbearing, you might alienate your boss or colleagues. Instead, use your communication skills to build rapport, ask questions, and make others feel valued. This approach will help you gain influence without creating unnecessary friction. One of the best ways to make people like you is to ask them questions. Everyone loves to talk about themselves, and by showing genuine interest, you create a positive connection. This technique is especially effective in both business and dating. Instead of trying to impress others with your achievements, focus on learning about them. You'll be surprised how much more they enjoy your company. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about making the speaker feel heard and valued. Use body language to show you're paying attention. Lean forward, maintain eye contact, and nod occasionally. In group settings, focus your attention on the person speaking, especially if you want to make a strong impression. These small gestures can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Carrying a notepad and pen to meetings is a simple but effective way to show you're serious and attentive. When you write down key points during a conversation, it signals respect and professionalism. Bosses and colleagues appreciate this attention to detail, and it can set you apart from others who appear less engaged. Use this trick to make a lasting impression in any professional setting. When it comes to negotiations, whether for a raise, a company car, or a new opportunity, confidence is key. State your case clearly and assertively without begging or apologizing. If you've proven your value, don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Remember, most people are afraid to speak up, but those who do often get what they want. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is give someone your undivided attention, even if only for a short time. Whether it's a boss, a partner, or a friend, focused attention makes people feel valued and important. Leaning forward, maintaining eye contact, and minimizing distractions all signal that you're fully present. Use this technique to strengthen your relationships and influence. Leaning forward during a conversation shows that you're engaged and interested. However, be mindful of context. Leaning in too much can signal submission, especially in photos with women. In those cases, maintain a strong, upright posture to project confidence and control. Adapt your body language to fit the situation and the message you want to send. Much of our body language is unconscious, which is why it's so effective. People pick up on these signals without even realizing it. By becoming more aware of your own body language, you can consciously adjust it to project confidence, authority, or openness as needed. Practice until these adjustments become second nature. In both business and personal relationships, being respected is more important than being liked. Women, in particular, are more attracted to men they respect than those who simply try to please them. Don't be afraid to assert yourself and maintain control. People will respect you more for it, even if they don't always like you. When taking photos, especially with women, your body language should project confidence and indifference. Don't lean in or appear overly interested. Stand tall and relaxed, as if you don't care whether the photo is being taken or not. This subtle shift can make a big difference in how others perceive you, both in person and online. There's no one-size-fits-all formula for body language or communication. The key is to understand general principles and then adapt them to your own unique style. Authenticity is what makes your presence compelling. Don't try to mimic others exactly. Learn the rules, then make your own moves based on what feels natural to you. Just as gold is valuable because it's rare, your attention and approval should be given sparingly. When you make your time, energy, and positive feedback scarce, people value them more. This applies to smiles, compliments, and even your presence. Don't give away your value freely, make others earn it. Be mindful of unconscious signals that indicate submission, such as excessive smiling or making silly faces in photos. These behaviors can undermine your authority and make you appear less confident. Instead, maintain a calm, composed demeanor, especially in public or professional settings. When interacting with people of high status or fame, don't let their position intimidate you. Maintain your composure and treat them as equals. Confidence in these situations is attractive and shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. Remember, status is often about perception, project strength, and others will respond accordingly. Improvement comes from feedback, not just repetition. After every important conversation or presentation, take time to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Watch recordings of yourself, note your mistakes, and make adjustments. This process of self-analysis is what separates great communicators from the rest. Wide vocabulary allows you to express yourself more precisely and persuasively. Make it a habit to learn new words regularly and incorporate them into your speech. This not only makes you a more compelling speaker, but also helps you stand out in any conversation. Great communicators are always observing and learning from those around them. Even if you don't admire someone as a whole, you can still pick up valuable techniques or habits from them. Be open to learning from everyone and adapt the best parts to fit your own style. Be truly influential. You must be worthy of respect. This means developing qualities that are difficult to acquire, such as financial independence, physical fitness, and strong communication skills. People naturally listen to and follow those who have proven themselves in these areas. Focus on building these foundations to command respect in any situation. Persuasion is a key component of effective communication. It's not enough to simply express your ideas. You must also convince others to agree with you. Practice debating, negotiating, and presenting your arguments in ways that resonate with your audience. The ability to persuade is what sets leaders apart from followers. Sales is one of the best arenas to hone your communication skills. Selling difficult products, like windows, forces you to find creative ways to connect with customers and address their concerns. The lessons you learn in sales about triggers, objections, and closing deals translate to every area of life. If you want to become a master communicator, spend time selling something nobody wants. Sometimes, the best way to motivate others is to trigger an emotional response. Don't be afraid to challenge people or even insult them if it pushes them to take action. The goal is to inspire change, not just to be liked. Use your words strategically to get results. Be a compelling communicator. You need stories and experiences worth sharing. Take risks, seek out challenges, and live a life full of adventure. These experiences not only make you more interesting, but also give you the wisdom and perspective needed to connect with others on a deeper level. Throughout history, societies have used rites of passage to mark the transition from boyhood to manhood. These challenges were always difficult and required courage, perseverance, and resilience. Today, you must create your own challenges to grow and mature. Embrace difficult experiences there, the foundation of wisdom and strength. Feedback is the engine of improvement. Whether you're learning to fight, play chess, or speak in public, analyzing your performance is what leads to growth. Don't just practice, review your actions, identify mistakes, and make adjustments. This cycle of practice and feedback is the key to mastery in any field. English is the global language of business and influence. Mastering it can open doors worldwide and give you an edge in any field. Focus on perfecting your command of English before learning other languages. Precision and clarity in your primary language are invaluable assets. The true superpower of communication is the ability to project your ideas into someone else's mind and make them believe or understand your perspective. This skill is essential for leadership, sales, and influence. Practice structuring your arguments logically and presenting them in a way that resonates with your audience. After every conversation, presentation, or debate, take time to reflect. What did you do well? Where could you improve? This habit of self-analysis is what drives continuous improvement. Even when you win, look for ways to do better next time. The best communicators are always learning and evolving. Being able to explain your ideas concisely and clearly is a mark of intelligence and confidence. Avoid rambling or over-explaining. Get to the point and make your message easy to understand. This skill is especially important in debates, negotiations, and high-stakes conversations. Your mindset is the foundation of all your actions and achievements. A positive, growth-oriented mindset will help you overcome obstacles, learn from mistakes, and keep improving. Believe in your ability to master communication, and you'll see progress in every area of your life. Mastering communication is a lifelong journey. It's not about perfection, but about constant improvement through feedback, self-awareness, and practice. Every conversation is an opportunity to refine your skills and become more effective. Start today, analyze your speech, embrace feedback, and watch as your influence and success grow.